Hello guys, welcome back. Create a new composition and right here, audio spectrum. And hello guys, welcome back. Create a new composition and right here, audio spectrum, and set your duration. For example, 10 seconds, and there is HD size of composition. Create new composition. So now, right click, create a new solid for the background. Click here to type ramp. Click right ramp. Apply gradient ramp and click on start color. Change to dark orange. Click OK and go to another one. Make blue dark like this. OK. And now, guys, take a look. I need to control the color like this, but you can create your brand color for your project, like a podcast project, something. And now I need to create another new solid right here, like a fog. Make it dark and create like this. So press M to make fader and expand like this. Make more fader like this. So guys, and now time to create the effect. How to do this? First, right click, create a new solid. Right here, audio effects. Go to effect, go to generate, select audio spectrum. It's not plugin, it's effect. Select and control the color of the spectrum like white. Click OK. So if you need to control the color like a bright blue and orange, click OK. Control the frequency bands and control the maximum height like this. So guys, go to project, double click, import. For example, beats, abstract, select one of them. Select, play. Select the chase and drop to your composition. Select audio effects. Go to effect controls and select chase wave. Play now. So if you need to change, double click. Go to select, take out, select your audio, hold Alt key and replace directly. Okay guys, and now I need to create a circle frame. Take a look, select the audio effects and go to select ellipse, create to center, hold Ctrl plus Shift on keyboard, and next press V, move it up and go to effect control, select mousepad 1, and now when you play, I don't wanna inner spectrums, inner wave. How to do this? Go to audio spectrum and select side option A or B, and let's change the color to brighter color and press MMM. Take a look here. Control the expansion like this and control the frequency bands and go to control the thickness. Hold control on keyboard, make more thickness like this and control the maximum height. And now when you play, you can see like this. So guys, I need to create the progress of the video length. Take a look. Deselect your layers, go to rectangle, click here, and next select the white color. Select again your shape layer, make 1 pixel and create another one. And turn off the stroke, turn on the fill and select the color for this one to white. And now apply linear wipe. Apply linear wipe on shape layer 2. So change the wipe angle -90 and start from the 10 stopwatch. Change this one to -90 and start from the 10%. 90% stopwatch. Go to end of 10 seconds, set 10. Take a look, play. Good. So guys, select both, press V or move and hold Ctrl plus Alt plus Home to move the anchor point center and zoom in, make little bit thickness and move down right there and select again, select the color, click OK and select the audio spectrum into blue like this. Click OK. And now let's apply image center. Double click. Let's see some image. So let's go to desktop files and let's select After Effects. Press S and select ellipse. Press T, change the opacity. Press S, control the scale and move a little bit to right side and click here. Hold Ctrl plus Shift on keyboard like this. So guys, press T. And now I need to animate the image with the music beats. How to do this? Go to select your audio, right click, go to keyframe assistant, convert audio to keyframes. Here is your audio keyframes. Press U. Here you can see the both channel. And now select your image or logo, press T, hold Alt key, click on opacity and parent link to both slider. Take a look. So guys, everything is okay. And now a little bit problem with the color. I don't know which color is better here. Control a little bit white, brighter, like this, and select, click OK. Play now. Okay, guys, and now control a little bit the background. Great. So, guys, thank you for watching. This was about music spectrum. Let's play once again. You can apply another different color like a for color gradient on audio effects spectrum like this. Apply this color and control the colors point near like this, and take a look. This is the high beats of the music, and go to maximum high beats and press MMN, control the expansion and control the more frequency bands, and there control the techniques. Hold control on keyboard, control the techniques, so you can duplicate one more layer of audio effects. Change digital to lines, change to dots, and take a look. Make more, a little bit big size like this. Make more big size and control the high bands like this. So guys, turn off the four color gradient for this one and make white color like this. White color. Need more frequency bands, need more high. So play now. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about audio spectrum animation in Adobe After Effects. Thanks for watching.